Do you love Hot Wheels, Matchbox cars like I do? And want some place to display them? If so, check out this video. Alright, well, like I said, I've got a little bit of a problem going on with my Matchbox cars. Hot Wheels cars, whatever. Got some of each. Unfortunately, most of them are Hot Wheels. I'm not really excited about the direction that Hot Wheels has been going with their cars, with all the graphics and stuff on them. I just kind of like some pure, good-looking cars with just regular paint. So if you are a fan of Matchbox, let me know in the comments. If you're a fan, if you like the Hot Wheels better, let me know in the comments. Let me know why. But I've got far more Hot Wheels cars than I do Matchbox. But I'm trying to get some more of the Matchbox. But selection just isn't very good. So, anyways, here we go. I kind of stole this idea off of somebody else on YouTube, and I can't remember where I saw it, but I'm sure if you search around, you'll see somebody doing the same thing. Probably a whole bunch of them. But this is not an original idea, but I've got 5 pieces of molding. They're each 7 feet long, and as you can see, they're grooved. So a Matchbox car or Hot Wheels car should fit in there, at least not be able to move around too much. I'm going to have them just pointing like this, and you'll get to see what's going on here in a little bit. But that's what I was going after. Plus I was going after cheap because that's the way I am. I've got 5 pieces. They're 7 foot each. I've got 3 of these little L brackets. Bought a bag of washers, bag of nuts. Had to get some real small 5/8 screws just to screw these into the molding. And then I got 3 3-foot sections of all thread. This isn't going to be the fanciest thing, so if you're looking for something fancy, find somebody who knows what they're doing, because I really don't. But I got 3 of these 3-foot sections. Hopefully this will be enough to get most of my cars up and going. If I need to, the nice thing is I can just go out and buy another shelf or 2 or another piece of molding or 2 and situate them accordingly. What I'm going to try to do, because I've got 3 pieces of all thread, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one sitting like right here, one in the middle, and then one down here. So I'm going to drill a hole through the middle, one through here and one through here. You'll see. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see what I'm doing here, but yeah, let me get some stuff set up. I'm not going to have you watch me because it's just more work for me to try to have you do that, and kind of boring anyways, so watching somebody drill 3 holes. So let me get these holes drilled, and we'll get to the exciting part, which will be putting nuts on. So let me get going. All right, so what I've basically done is take some measurements. Measured 4 inches off the end on each side, so 4 inches from here, and marked them out. Went halfway, so we've got our marks for the halfway point, and then 4 inches down here on this end also. So I was going to try to clamp all these together and drill 1 hole through 5 boards, but I'm not that skilled, so I'm going to be drilling each one of these separately, and I'm going to go a little bit bigger obviously than the 3/8 with my hole, because I need a little bit of wiggle room just in case things don't line up exactly, because it's just the way it's going to go. So we've got some washers and whatnot to compensate for it. So let me get to drilling. All right, quick little update. This is where I'm at so far. I've got 2 shelves on. They're not exactly where I want them yet, but get them rough. So basically what we're doing is sticking the all thread just through the top, and we're going to tighten it down here on the bottom of each shelf. Okay, and then we've got another nut and a washer and another nut and a washer. See, nut washer, nut washer, nut washer, nut washer. What really sucks is this. Sorry for the finger. This is what really sucks. It's got to be an easier way. I don't really feel like concocting something with the drill, which is what the other guy did. He made this really cool thing and it just zipped it right up, but I suppose I could do that, but maybe I might, because I have a feeling that I'm going to need some more boards. I'm going to have to go back to Menards in the morning and probably get 2 to 3 more of these 7-foot pieces. I may wind up with way more display than I have cars at the moment, but better to have too much than not enough. So we're gonna keep working on this, and I'll show you a little bit later on, but it'll be just a matter of seconds for you. All right, I gave up. Check this out. Got a little something on the end of my drill. Check this out. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand, and that's a lot easier. That's a lot easier. There you have it. Life. All right, well, good morning. I went to Menards this morning and got 2 more boards. So now we've got 7 shelves, 7 feet across. We've got 49 feet of available space for putting whatever you want. You know, I mean, if you want to make something like this, now granted, this does not look the greatest, but it's functional, and for like a man cave or something, it should do what I need it to do. I did not want to spend a ton of money or a ton of time working on this. I just want the cars to be displayed. Maybe someday I will stain the shelves, but not today. Shit, probably won't even take the stickers off right now. I'll do that someday when I get bored. But I'm gonna go get some rearranging done in the room because it's going to require it. And really, this whole project only took a couple hours to do. The biggest thing is just getting the nuts on there, and then getting your boards spaced out as well as you can. You know, it's not perfect, but it'll do the trick. And somebody comes in there and starts nitpicking it, well, they can leave, because that's how it goes. So let me go in there and get it all rearranged and mounted, and I'll put some cars on it, and you'll see the finished product. Dun da da. I need more cars. But yeah, there it is. Check it out. It was really fun to make. Like I said, the cars basically fit right in this groove, so they're not going to fall off. And I've just got them, because I'm kind of hillbilly, Just got them screwed right to the wall. So it's definitely not a super duper fancy deal, but it was way less expensive than ordering one that would only hold half the cars. And as you can see, I've still got quite a bit of room. I'll show you some of my cars, because who doesn't want to check those out? Some of these I just think are just really super cool. I like that one a lot. So my little hot rods. Got the we've got the Mustangs up here. I keep them segregated, that way they don't crash into anybody. Here's all my Camaros. I didn't realize I had all those Camaros until... See, I got the cop cars up here, but they're not facing anybody, so they don't know what the hell's going on. I'm trying to find some older ones, because really, like this, I'm not a fan. I don't like all those graphics. Now see, that's kind of cool. I'm digging that, but that, not a fan. There's a Fast and Furious Chevelle, and there's a little GT40. Sweet. And then my Pride and Joy, which I took a little bit of... oh, hold on. I thought that was pretty cool. That's a new one, but I thought that was kind of cool. But my Pride and Joy is my absolute favorite car in the whole wide world. 87 GNX Buick Grand National. Actually paid some money for that one. Got a couple of these other Fast and Furious cars in a lot. It was 1 through 5. And I'm not the type of guy... Oh, check that out. There's DeLorean. Yeah, buddy. But yeah, man, that's the one. I'm not the type that'll just leave them in their packages. I know it decreases the value quite a bit, but I don't care about all that. But so yeah, man, thanks for watching. I hope maybe this will give you some ideas if you're into the Hot Wheels and stuff like that, and or whatever, you know. If you want to put up some little figurines, you know, you can get bigger trim, bigger pieces of wood. I just, like I said, I saw this and thought it was a pretty neat idea. Definitely not my own idea, but seems pretty sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. Did it in a couple hours, and I like the results. So thanks a lot. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And subscribe to the channel. Give you a little sneak peek of my next video, which is my do-it-yourself race car simulator. Did this one here all by myself, and yep, the stereo works, and got some light up cup holders. But yeah, check that out. That's going to be a video coming up here hopefully later on this week. I'll have it uploaded, and that was a really fun build. Check it out for your Earnhardt fans. I even cut the 3 out. So yeah, so check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you like, and you'll see more cool shit like this. Thanks. Bye.